What a beautiful day outside. Where's that coming from? I've gotta get out of here! Starfish, you gotta help me! No way, but that guy over there can. I can tell you what that is. That is a rare nuclear ticking bomb. There is only one in the world. It is very rare. Awesome, Starfish. Did you hear?